So we're gonna address something real quick because I know there'll be someone making some sort of comment. Yes, my hands are very, very orange. And my face is not. And the reason being is because I'm an idiot who thought that I could spray tan myself, but I can't. So I'm gonna stick to mousse tans and definitely never spray tan myself again. Now we've got that out of the way, now we've got the elephant out of the room, we're gonna kickstart this video. It is gonna be a what I eat in a day. I'm gonna definitely include most of my staple pieces that I have throughout the week, and I'm definitely going to be trying some new recipes using my LIFESUM app. I'm really excited because sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I cook me and Jack the same thing over and over again and it can get so boring and dull. I know chicken rice and broccoli isn't the most exciting meal in the world, so if you can switch it up, definitely do so. My dog is currently like come back from a walk. Hey baby girl, you're not a baby anymore. You're growing up too quick. No, I don't think so. I'm not giving you any treats. She comes over because this is her jar of treats. And she knows that as soon as I come over here, I go and give her one. But you didn't show me any love. Don't come over to me now when I got something, alright? Love doesn't work like that. The first meal of the day is, of course, breakfast, and as you saw in yesterday's video, I did try to do IF, which is basically intermittent fasting. If you haven't watched that video, definitely go and watch it. I struggled big time. I'm a firm believer that I should kind of be fueling my body throughout the day. I know it works amazingly for some people, so if it does work amazingly for you, definitely keep on doing it. But personally for me, I just didn't like that method. So I'm gonna have breakfast right now. We are going to Cooking with Krissy. Did you like that? I'm not being funny, but Cooking with Krissy is gonna be a thing. Every single week, I'm gonna make it a thing. So anyway, enough talking, more cooking and eating. Oats, staple piece in my diet. Like, I'm not being funny, I have oats every single day. So, really quick recipe. I think you guys have seen me do this before, and I've posted this on my Instagram. Come here. Hey baby. I'm an angel pup. Say hi. Say hi. Hi everyone. Oh, do. I love you so much. So I just got back from the gym and I did some legs with Shane, and I am dying. We did like really heavy leg day, and it was a rep range of like 6 to 8 reps. So now I'm back home. I'm gonna make some lunch. I quickly went to the local supermarket and got some ingredients. I am gonna do, like I saw on LIFESUM, 2 seconds, I'll show you. I really want to make something super quick and easy. I'm like, guys, I'm hungry. If you know me, and if I'm hungry, I get angry, and the two together, they're just not a good mix, you know? They're just not a good mix. So I went on LIFESUM and I'm gonna make this corn salad with oven baked chicken. 532 calories, 63 grams of carbs, 16 fat, and 37 protein. Those macros are freaking insane. Really, really good. Really, really easy. There's a bit of coriander and chili on this, and we're gonna skip that bit because your girl doesn't like coriander. I don't know why. I wish I did, but my neck, my throat flares up. So we don't want that risking today. Okay guys, I really don't know what to do about this. Button seems to have this weird obsession about sitting on Jack's head. Look how happy she is. Girl, get off my man's head. Get off my man's head, you little slag. You little slag. Go away. I'm joking. I love you. You're the only girl that can ever sit on his head. This is the finished product. I got my corn salad and my oven baked chicken, and I added a little bit of feta just because I really fancy something. I'm gonna eat this. I hope it's gonna be yummy. I know it's gonna be yummy. Let me just take this, it looks juicy. Okay. For goodness sake, what is wrong with you? Buns, just, I can't even, girl, there's no explanation. It's the last meal of the day. We're gonna make a simple, easy meal. Salmon, newborn potatoes, asparagus, and broccoli. And all I'm gonna do is put all of this in here, some olive oil, salt, pepper, a little oregano, and we're gonna bake, and I'm gonna leave that be, get back to work, and then it will be done. I literally no cooking for me to do, all really simple. So what we're gonna do here is, in this dish we're gonna add our salmon fillets. You can do this with cod and you can do this with chicken as well. We're gonna be adding our potatoes, which I've washed, just around the salmon, just like so. And then we're gonna assemble all our vegetables around as well. Kept the asparagus whole, just like so. I'm gonna add some olive oil, just a little drizzle of salt and pepper on the potatoes. Try and cover the potatoes as much as you can. Pepper. So we're going to add a bit of oregano on top of the salmon, all over the veggies. Bake for about 40 minutes and it will be done. So I just spent like literally 2 hours cleaning my entire gym wear, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway for like probably the next month because I have so much to give away. So these are the first things I'm giving away. It's the Dreamy leggings by Gymshark with the Dreamy bra and the cute little cropped top. They are both, all of this is a size small. So I think that's a size like 8 to 10 UK. So all you have to do is, I'll put them on the side here. like this video, so give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, and please make sure that you are following me on Instagram. That's all you have to do. Oh, and please just comment below a way I can reach you, and literally I'm just going to pick at random. So this is the first giveaway. I will be doing more giveaways throughout the month. This is the finished product. So we've got salmon, my broccoli, asparagus and newborn potatoes, and they went like a little bit crispy as well. The last little meal is something sweet. So I have some raspberries, some fig, some granola and some Lindt chocolate. I had another square, so there was 2 squares, and I'm going to finish off my night with this. And that is going to be it. This concludes the video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm really not feeling well at the moment. I've got lady pains. Thank you, Mother Nature. You are very welcome. But yeah, so not feeling the best. I'm going to have that little sweet dessert thingy that I made. Maybe have a little bit more chocolate. I'm not going to lie. And then get into bed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked what I made. And also, LIFESUM has so many recipes that you can choose from and you can try. I also have like a 30% off code down below, so you can do the premium subscription and you can get literally so many recipes. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and make sure that you are following me on Instagram. Also comment down below if you have any questions or any video recommendations that you'd like me to do. Always open for any suggestion. And I love you always and forever. Bye.